Why is it so important to be teaching technology in schools? When we look at our economy today, every company is now a technology company. There is almost no profession where technology is not fundamentally changing the way work is done and how companies interact with both their employees and their customers. To prepare children to reach their full potential in the workplace of the future, they need to not only be familiar with technology, but learn how to apply it and use it to meet their goals. Technology is an ever-evolving set of tools used to solve all sorts of problems in every discipline. As an Apple Distinguished School, one of only 400 in the world, Mount Sinai College has embraced technology as both a teaching tool as well as developing skills where students use technology to solve problems. This is not just about learning coding and robotics, which kids absolutely love, but learning a new way of thinking. We've adopted Apple's challenge-based learning approach, which allows students to leverage technology to answer their own questions about a scientific phenomenon or social action they want to change. It helps them to learn in a way that is meaningful to them. CBL is embraced from K to 6, with students encouraged to identify big ideas that are important on a global scale, ask questions to better understand real-world challenges, and then use technology to research, implement, and present their solutions. Principal of Mount Sinai College, Phil Roberts says, "When you watch a child's eyes light up because they've built something using technology, that's just irreplaceable. It's more impactful than just regurgitating facts." Being an Apple Distinguished School also means we use technology to modernise the way we educate. One-to-one iPads are provided to our K-6 students at no extra cost. Like a pencil or notebook, the iPad is an essential learning tool in the Mount Sinai College classroom. Our children are often required to present back their schoolwork using video from their iPads. For example, students record themselves reading their classwork, using and describing what they've made, how it works, and their own analysis of the outcomes. During PE class, while students are participating in high jump, they're recording the motion of jumping and replaying it for themselves on their individual iPad to analyse their form and style to identify where improvements need to be made. Parents can also have much richer engagement in their child's school experiences by viewing, discussing, and interacting with their child's work using a free app. Technology allows us to redefine what learning looks like and embed the core skills of STEM into our classrooms on a daily basis. Embracing STEM at a primary school age transforms the learning experience into a real-world context at a much earlier stage of life, broadening our students' perspectives and opportunities as they enter high school. During science classes, students are able to get much more engaged with their learning by heading off to the park, taking pictures and video, annotating and collating these multimedia resources in a digital journal or book. We welcome your children to our nurturing community, which has had the privilege of being acknowledged as an international leader in the technology education space, equipping your children to be leaders in the world of tomorrow.